welcome back to another video, another episode of Open It Up with me review. That's right, with your main host Kate. Thank you so much for everyone who's been subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for all of you who's been visiting my page, and thank you for all of you who are sharing my content. I am highly in depth with you guys, and trust me, I'm trying my best to every week give you something that you can never forget about. Also, today I will be showing you how this light kick and background screensaver works. Okay, come and check these out, guys, because right now we are turning the pages up and flipping the pages. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for staying with me. Check this out. Well, so as you guys can see, it's been a whole lot of work, and I have a few things that I would like to put out, especially because I feel like for one person this is too much. Okay, that's one. It's too much for one person, and it takes a lot. And okay, one of the light bulb came not working, so that's not a good thing. So Linco, the manufacturer who creates this whole setup, it's called Linco. So we should put that on a review, because you know what, first of all, it's easy to set up, but actually I've been like doing this for more than 2 hours now. It's not really easy. As you guys can see, the background, it looks like super steady and no lights reflecting. And well, you see, as I get close, you know, I'm actually in the right shape, but you know, I'm trying not to go out of the shape and all that. So stay tuned for more, and I will give you more information about this. Thank you so much. Stay tuned. Don't forget to subscribe.
Clockwise.